This tutorial will guide you through the usage and the upkeep of your Maestri House integrated milk frother. As a general safety tip, do not put the milk frother in the dishwasher, as there is a risk of electrical shock and fire. Furthermore, make sure the underside of the milk frother is dry. Lid. Milk frothing whisk. Milk jug. Power base. If you only use it to heat milk, put directly the milk heating whisk into the milk frother jug. If you also need to make milk froth, attach the milk frothing whisk. Milk heating whisk. Milk frothing whisk. Place it on the power base. The first max milk level indicator is for milk heating or hot chocolate milk, about 14.1 ounces, or 400 milliliters of milk. The second max milk level indicator is for milk frothing, about 7.1 ounces, or 200 milliliters of milk. The minimum milk level indicator is for milk heating and frothing, about 3.5 ounces or 100 milliliters of milk. Fill the milk frother up to one of the three milk level indicators. Press the milk foam button to choose the thickness you want. Low, medium, or rich. Press the temperature button to choose the milk foam temp. Normal temperature, 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the switch. Maestri House, Truth in Household Coffee Appliance.